discover 15 next-level woodworking tools on Amazon that truly deliver on performance and innovation. From precision measuring gadgets to powerful cutting devices, these tools are designed to make every craftsman's job faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these smart, durable, and efficient tools will elevate your craftsmanship and bring your creative woodworking projects to life. DAYDOOR cabinet clamps. The DAYDOOR cabinet clamps, priced at $38.69, are high-efficiency tools designed for precise and effortless cabinet installation. These heavy-duty clamps feature a hole drilling guide, allowing you to drill pilot holes and screw holes without repositioning. Built with a cast steel body, strong side jaws, and an aluminum alloy alignment plate, they deliver long-lasting durability and accuracy. With a jaw opening of up to 4 3/8 inches, they accommodate most cabinet styles and ensure perfectly flush joints. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, or woodworking projects, this set of 2 bright orange clamps includes protective pads to prevent surface damage, making alignment easy and professional. inDexable square. The inDexable square delivers locked-in accuracy in a compact, easy-to-handle design, perfect for precision work in tight spaces. The mini combination square features a 1-inch wide, 6-inch long blade, while the mini double square includes a 4-inch blade, both crafted with the same exceptional quality as the standard and XL versions. Enjoy features such as laser-accurate scribing guides, positive indexing at every full inch, a smooth sliding head support, and finely laser-engraved measurement scales. Ideal for woodworkers, metalworkers, and craftsmen who demand precision, durability, and versatility in every measurement and layout task. MICROJIG Dovetail Clamp. The MICROJIG Dovetail Clamp revolutionizes woodworking with its breakthrough dovetail clamp arm design, giving you the freedom to create your own track grooves using a standard dovetail router bit. Universally compatible with any 1/2-inch 14-degree dovetail router bit, it allows you to route dovetail grooves and clamp virtually anywhere with precision and flexibility. Say goodbye to costly T-tracks. Now you can customize your workspace and secure workpieces exactly where you need them. Built for versatility, the match-fit dovetail clamp enhances efficiency, accuracy, and creativity in every project, empowering craftsmen to work smarter and achieve professional-grade results effortlessly. Goldblatt Trim Removal Tool. The Goldblatt Trim Removal Tool is a revolutionary heavy-duty trim puller designed for precision and protection. Its wide, flat contact surface and integrated 15-degree wedged center ensure efficient trim removal without damaging walls or woodwork. Built from durable carbon steel and 65 MN steel with a corrosion-resistant black electrophoretic finish, it's ideal for tough remodeling jobs. The ergonomic, impact-absorbing TPR plus PP handle provides comfort during long use. Perfect for removing baseboards, cabinets, countertops, or flooring, this multifunctional tool is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. With its patented spring design, US patent 11,142,921, Goldblatt guarantees smooth, damage-free trim separation. HYCHIKA Jig Saw. HYCHIKA Jig Saw. Experience precision, power, and versatility in one tool. The HYCHIKA Jig Saw is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, featuring variable speed control for smooth, accurate cuts through wood, metal, and plastic. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the quick blade change system saves you time and effort. With adjustable bevel cutting and powerful motor performance, it delivers clean, detailed results for any project. This series of how-to videos includes attachment installation, blade replacement, troubleshooting tips, and expert tutorials, helping you get the most out of your HYCHIKA devices every time. Hinge Jig. The Hinge Jig, priced at $23.74, is a high-precision all-metal cabinet hinge jig made of durable aluminum alloy, offering superior stability and accuracy compared to plastic jigs. Equipped with built-in double bearings, it minimizes lateral shaking for smoother, more precise drilling. This concealed hinge jig allows quick and easy depth adjustment, ensuring accurate hole placement for cabinet hinges. Ideal for 12 to 25mm wood, it includes a 35mm hole saw and 2mm drill bit compatible with any electric drill. Perfect for cabinets, kitchens, and closets, this tool simplifies hinge installation, saving time and effort while delivering professional, consistent results. Three-in-one Dowel Jig. The 3-in-1 Dowel Jig is a precision-engineered woodworking tool designed for versatility and accuracy. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with an anodized, corrosion-resistant finish, it ensures long-lasting performance. This jig combines a drill guide, locator, and puncher in one, making it ideal for furniture making and various wood joining applications. Its self-centering mechanism and adjustable fence deliver consistent, perfectly aligned dowel holes for edge-to-edge, edge-to-surface, and edge-to-corner joints, with laser-engraved scales, metal drill bushings, and compatibility with multiple bit sizes, 6mm to 15mm. It allows for easy adjustments and reliable results. Suitable for all skill levels, it guarantees professional-grade precision and convenience. Milescraft Hinge Jig. The Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus is a professional-grade door and frame mortising kit designed for flawless hinge and strike plate installation. Ideal for both contractors and DIYers, this self-clamping jig ensures precision and consistency every time. It includes the Hinge Jig Plus, router bit, pin doctor, latch and strike templates, and an adjustable spacer for quick setup. Compatible with 1 3/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch doors. It offers built-in depth stops, drop-in templates, and storage slots for added convenience. Whether you're fitting new doors or upgrading existing ones, the Hinge Jig Plus delivers clean, accurate mortises with speed, reliability, and professional quality results. Worx Mini-Cutter. The Worx Mini-Cutter, priced at $99.99, is a powerful compact cutting tool designed for one-hand operation and ultimate convenience. Equipped with a 3-inch cutting disc and an impressive 19,000 RPM motor, it delivers fast, precise cuts through metal, tile, thin concrete, and plastic with ease. This versatile tool includes 3 cutting discs and 1 grinding disc, ensuring you're ready for a range of projects right out of the box. As part of the Worx 20-volt PowerShare family, it allows you to share batteries across multiple tools, saving both time and money while providing consistent performance for all your cutting and grinding needs. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a professional-grade system designed for precision, durability, and convenience. It includes 3 upgraded 3/8 inch titanium-coated drill bits that ensure ultra-sharp, long-lasting performance for smooth, clean holes every time. Built with heavy-duty metal construction and hardened steel guide holes, it's ideal for wood thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 3 1/8 inches. The jig features imperial and metric slider markings for easy adjustments, and a vacuum adapter keeps drilling dust-free. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike, it simplifies woodworking with accurate, invisible joints. The complete kit includes bits, screws, plugs, adapters, wrenches, and accessories. Everything you need for flawless joinery. Mini Level Tool. The Mini Level Tool is a compact, versatile, and highly accurate measuring device designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features high visibility bubbles for both horizontal and vertical alignment, with a convex lens on the vertical vial for enhanced readability from any angle. Equipped with 2 strong magnets that can pull over 4 pounds, it easily attaches to metal surfaces for hands-free use. Built from durable aluminum alloy and reinforced with composite end caps, it offers strength and protection from drops. Its pocket-sized design ensures portability, making it ideal for leveling RVS, trailers, furniture, photo frames, and electrical installations. Cabinet Mounting Jig. The Going Make Cabinet Mounting Jig is an essential tool for precise and efficient cabinet door installation. Designed for both professionals and DIY woodworkers, it allows easy setup and consistent positioning for hinge placement and cabinet door alignment. This cabinet hardware jig ensures accuracy and repeatability, saving time and effort during installation. Compatible with various cabinet door sizes and hinge positions, it provides flexibility for different woodworking projects. The durable construction and intuitive design make it reliable and simple to use, even for beginners. Whether you're mounting new doors or replacing old ones, the Going Make Cabinet Mounting Jig guarantees perfect results every time. Pocket Hole Jig. The Pocket Hole Jig is a premium home improvement tool designed for precision and strength in every woodworking project. This portable jig allows you to create durable joints at multiple angles, reducing pocket hole size while maintaining maximum holding power. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike, it features a clamp adapter compatible with most clamps, ensuring easy setup and stability. With 9 adjustable depth settings, the positioning sliders allow perfect alignment across various material thicknesses. As part of the trusted Craig Tools lineup, this pocket hole jig helps craftsmen bridge the gap between creative ideas and professional quality results in every build. MANRAM Cabinet Clamps. The MANRAM cabinet clamps, priced at $38, are designed to deliver unmatched efficiency and precision for cabinet installation. These premium clamps allow you to tighten, align, pre-drill, and secure cabinet styles without repositioning, saving time and effort. Each set includes 2 high-performance face frame clamps, a protective carrying case, and soft felt pads to prevent surface damage. The built-in pilot hole drill guide ensures accurate pre-drilling and easily flips away for screw driving. With a 4-inch clamp capacity, 2-inch jaw depth, and powerful 300 to 600 pounds clamping force. These clamps handle styles up to 1 1/4 inch thick, making them ideal for both professional and DIY cabinet makers.